Gardinero.
Hi, I am El Gardinero, and this is the third part of the introduction. Now we will talk about the approximate composition of important gases that can be found in the soil and on the atmosphere. So we have three important gases: the nitrogen, the oxygen, the carbon dioxide. So nitrogen, the symbol is N. In our soil, it has about 78.6%, and in the atmosphere, it has about 78.3%. And as you can see in my slide, nitrogen is higher in the soil when compared to its concentration in the atmosphere. Oxygen, its symbol is O2, is 20% in the soil and 21% in the atmosphere. It has a higher concentration in the atmosphere more than in the soil. And the third gas is the carbon dioxide. So the symbol is CO2. It is 0.5 in our soil air and only 0.03% in the atmosphere. So a higher concentration in our soil. There are factors to consider why is this so. For instance, nitrogen, it has a higher percentage in the atmosphere. That is because when they respire, the byproduct is oxygen. And in the soil, we have a lot of organisms that can use oxygen, thereby lowering the concentration in the soil. And this is in contrast in the carbon dioxide. For carbon dioxide, it has a higher concentration in our soil than in the atmosphere. It is because in our soil, we have a lot of microorganisms which produces carbon dioxide during respiration. And in the atmosphere, carbon dioxide is used by plants for respiration. Thus, the plants absorb carbon dioxide that can lower the concentration in our atmosphere. Soil is a natural resource. Why is this so? Soil is naturally occurring, such that it is considered a natural resource. The sad thing about soil is they are non-renewable. That means if the soil is lost, then it is gone. It can never go back to its place. What I am showing you is a picture taken in Bileng, in Sagubo, in the municipality of Kapangan, Benguet Province. As you can see, the soil is exposed, but originally, you can see the topography which is slopey, covered with vegetations, but because of mechanical disturbance or mechanical terracing or introduction of terrace, the soil surface was scraped. And what follows next? If there is a heavy downpour of rain, then the soil particle will be washed out. The soil particles will go to the bodies of water, leading its way to the seas. And as I mentioned a while back, it's lost and it's gone. That's why it's not renewable. In the Philippines, we have a total land area of 30 million hectares. 17 million hectares of that 30 million hectares is devoted to forest, and 13 of it is for agricultural purposes. And on my next video, I will discuss this further. Thank you.
El Gardinero.